Hello everyone, today I have great recipe I'd like to share with you. If you know me, I am for something beautiful. That's my weakness. So this green color is the achiever. Please come to the kitchen with me and show you how. Welcome to Saigoncook Travel. I am Saigoncook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my video and subscribe. Thank you for your support. So I have 1.5 cup of glutinous rice. I wash and soak them for 6 hours. Now I wash them again and I will drain them while I'm waiting to make the color. So this is 1.5. That means I put them separate. Okay, 1 cup separate and half cup separate because I want 2 of them have different shade. I like one darker and the other lighter. So I'm making the color now. I have 3 cups of water boiling and I added 6 grams of dry butterfly pea flowers and I get it steep for 10 minutes and I making the green color now by adding turmeric powder. So remember I have 2 kind of rice that I separate. I did separation for them. That's why now I made 2 color. I want one darker and one lighter. So for the darker, I add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. For the lighter color, I added 4 teaspoons of turmeric powder and I add half cup to the darker and a cup of rice to the lighter and I let them soak for 1.5 hours. I found out that 1.5 hours is a good time for the rice to soak the color. So after that, I strained them out and make a flash drinks. I don't want too much here, but I want to wash to rinse up any turmeric powder still clinging on them. So I put them separate now. You can see when I wash, rinse them, the turmeric color appear a little bit. That's why I want to wash, rinse them. Okay, so again we have 2 separate rice. One is 1 cup and the other is half cup. And I let them sit here while I'm preparing the steamer. When I steam them, I will add the pandan leaves for fragrance. You know, before this, I tried to use pandan leaves. I use spinach, lettuce, all those things. but the color very fade away when I'm done steaming. So this is a very good recipe because after you done, the color, the green color stay and gorgeous. So you just notice I add this the rice, the 1 cup into one side, and I make a foil in the middle to separate the other half cup, the other side. And you notice that I salted them just a teaspoon or half teaspoon, because after done steaming I will eat with many toppings, so just a little salt. So I cover and steam them for 25 minutes. It's not a lot of rice here, so you don't need, it doesn't take long. 25 minutes and I tested the rice was cooked. And now I let it cool. After them cool, I will add chicken fat render or pork fat render. That's what I prefer, but you can use oil. So for each one I add about a tablespoon for the 1 cup, and for the half cup, half a tablespoon. So, and I re-steam again, I steam them again for 5 more minutes, and that's it. And these are all the topping I have for the rice. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.